Hey there, I'm reviewing Granite Protein Powder. The blend of whey isolate, concentrate, and casein is excellent. I appreciate that it includes egg and grass-fed protein. The vanilla flavor is delicious and not overly sweet. It mixes well with both water and milk, leaving no clumps or chalky texture. I've noticed better recovery and less soreness after using this protein powder consistently, making it a great addition to my fitness routine. I like to drink it after my evening run as a meal replacement, which makes me feel full and not hungry for the evening. I think this is a pretty good supplement for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to boost their protein intake.